Today is going to be one of those quick fire 5-minute guitar lessons because trust me, this is one of those songs that sounds impressive but it's really easy to play. Let me show you now. Hey there budding Campfire guitar heroes, it's Dene again and welcome to another one of those forgotten songs we all love to remember, a one-hit wonder by this band called Snow Patrol. Let's get straight into it now. 3 simple chords and a very basic picking pattern that requires these 2 fingers, your picking finger and your thumb. Right, let's do the chordiology to this song. It's on an A, an open A chord, to an E, to a D sus4. And if you're wondering what's going on with my finger patterns, that's because I'm a left-hand guitar player playing on a right-hand strung guitar, so these will appear upside down to you. Look, I'll put the chord patterns on the screen there and you can follow along, no worries. And why do I play a guitar upside down? We'll check out that video there and all will be revealed. Right, let's put those chords together into the song. It follows the same chord pattern, A, E and D sus2, and you're picking the 4th string and the 6th string, which is the skinny E string, starting on the A. You're just alternating 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6. Then we move to the E chord. 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6. Then you can move to the D sus2 and do the same, but sometimes I bring in the 5th string alternately. You can hear it as I play it. 5, 6. And then back to the A, where you're doing the 4 and the 6, but you can bring in that 5th string alternate as well. 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6. And sometimes you might bring in the D sus4. Then the song moves into the chorus, and that's when you can do some gentle down strumming. Remember, the song is a super quiet song. You've got to keep the mood low, so you can strum it, but strum down strums just gently like this. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? So a super quick one, folks. Don't forget I do a free song sheet for every one of these lessons. The link is in the description below. And while you're there, you might as well check out my free songbook as well. 50 epic campfire guitar songs. Build up your instant song repertoire. Let's try that again, repertoire. So there you have it, folks. That was Chasing Cars by Snow Patrol in under 5 minutes. If you like this format of the guitar lesson, then I've got a whole lot more. You need to check out this playlist right now. We do it all, everything on our own. We don't need anything or anyone. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're told before I get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life.